yun nga, ever since naman I've been aiming for Miss Grand, and then actually, syempre, it's a dream of every beauty queen to join the universe also, and it's a dream of mine. Kaya I tried my luck last year to join Miss Universe Philippines. And now, yun nga, sabi ko, I feel like it was a second time for me. It feels like the opportunity opened for me to have the chance again to try for the Grand Crown. So, it was a lifelong dream, I would say. So,
Okay.
matagal ko na siyang decision. Me and my team, actually. It was a collaborative decision, not only of me, but also the team. Kasi, I want them to be included in my decisions also. Kasi it will not be just me competing there. So, I want them to be included in all the decisions that I do also.
Okay. Follow-up question. I think Miss Grand International will start on October 3. And I think there's only few days na lang
Yeah.
that will start. So,
Yeah.
paano yung strategy mo for this competition? Like, right after the Miss Grand Philippines, konting kembot lang, the Grand International na. So, paano yung collaboration mo with your team? Nagtatap ka na ba with some designers or what?
It is a big challenge, I would say talaga. If ever, hopefully, of course, we are aiming for the Grand Crown, and of course, I am aiming to bring the Philippine sash with me. So, of course, since we are aiming for the Grand Crown, we are already anticipating the part to represent the Philippines in the international stage. So yes, I would say I have already a list of designers that I want to work with. And yes, I am also trying to contact them one by one. If ever, of course, I am manifesting, but I also don't want to jinx it. I don't know what would happen kasi I really want to say it's anybody's game still. I don't want to discredit all the efforts of all the queens who will be joining for this competition also kasi lahat naman din nag-prepare. It's been, I think everyone's preparing for how many months already. I would say even me, I was preparing for how many months already for this competition. So if ever it happens, at least in a way we are 50% ready for the international. At least there is something we have in the box na para hindi kami mangangapa for the international. But I would say I myself is ready for the international competition. So hopefully the people of the Philippines would also be ready to help me also if ever we push through the competition international.